Hi! Do you have some things that you've been postponing for months and months? Because I do. In this video, I will do 3 things that I've been postponing for a few months now, and I hope it will encourage you to do the same. First of all, I need to clean my everyday shoes because they are white and they are pretty disgusting. Second thing is that I need to take pictures for my Vinted. And the third thing is that I need to buy a shelf for all my photography stuff. So let's get to it. So as you can see, they are really dirty. It's really time I clean them, and for that I have an old toothbrush and I did a mix of dish soap and hot water. So this is the result. It's not clean, but I think I can't do better because they are old and I wear them every day. I did my best. So I have here the pile of stuff I need to put on sale. I think some of them I will donate. I'm gonna take the pictures here of the things I sell. So I'm done taking pictures of my clothes. I will have to put them on Vinted, but today was really about taking the pictures and we will see for the rest later. So last but not least, I wanted to buy a shelf for my photography stuff because I have camera, lenses, tripods and some lights. So I would like to gather everything together. Right now I have under my bed and under the couch I have some lights. This big bag, those 2 boxes in the back, and here some light. So we have this shelf in the bedroom. It's for shoes inside. So we need this one, but I was thinking to buy the same one. I'm not sure if it will fit, so I'm gonna try in this one just to see. I was looking for the reference of the shelf, but I couldn't find it, so I'm gonna go on their website and try to find it again. Later, and I finally have my shelf. It was almost all the time sold out, so it was hard to get it, but now it's here and it's set up. So before I had this shelf instead of this one, and this one was not here. So I have one shelf for my shoes, The second is also for me. And then we have those two for my boyfriend. He almost has more shoes than me. And here is my shelf for photography. So I have the first one, the most accessible one is for things I use the most. So my camera, my lenses, my batteries, Polaroids, and a small printer. Then we have everything for the lights, so 2 light bulbs, 2 umbrellas, my flash. And the last one is my tripod for the camera that I almost never use, the tripods for the lights, and some accessories, and white bedsheet when I need to have neutral background. So that's it, we are officially done for this video. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!